to give some information regarding UPSC. Many people had their goal to pursue IAS, IPS, IFS, but they did not have the correct path where how we have to go and how we have to deal with the subject, where we have to go. I am here to give answers for all these questions. Today we will discuss first the main stepping stone of UPSC is the NCERTs, and second step you should know the syllabus of each and every subject, and third choosing your optional, and for all the three steps you have to know what we have to do. To know that you have to join in a coaching institution like this Pratibha Institute, which is available in Vijayawada, where people no need to go to Delhi, Hyderabad or Kolkata, Bangalore. Here Vijayawada, for every aspirant in Vijayawada it was available from inter onwards, inter plus UPSC and degree plus UPSC, where you will get integrated courses here. Now I want to discuss about how we have to start our preparation, where we have to start, what is the stepping stone of preparation of UPSC. First of all, you should know the syllabus of each and every subject which are given by the government website of UPSC. And next stepping stone is you have to collect all the NCERTs available in the market. Third, after completion of these two steps, you have to choose your optional. You have to thorough with the optional syllabus. The next fourth step and starting step of UPSC preparation, take NCERTs. I am giving assurance that when you are reading your NCERT each and every subject, you can be easily qualified in prelims. First of all, I would say that you have to see the syllabus. First, start one subject, the geography, economy, polity, from 6th NCERT to 12th NCERT. Thorough with the one reading twice. You will be understanding the elements like subject to things in that second reading. Third reading, start seeing the previous year questions. Then you will get an idea. Really you are getting prelims questions from these NCERTs or not? Are we in a right track or not? Then fourth step, compare with the standard book, where to get more knowledge, where NCERT will provide you basics of the each and every subject. After knowing basics, you should go to standard subject. Don't go standard subject in the first step itself. You will not get any subject from that standard books. You have to go to first NCERT 6th to 12th for any subject, because nowadays the question paper makers are mainly focusing on the NCERT books. We are getting directly questions from the NCERT. I will say an example like last year 2024 prelims, when we go to geography, from research and development class 8, I can say that page number 34, where in glossary box they has given a direct question from that page. 2 questions directly we got that from that page. So I am assuring that who are reading NCERT, they will be qualifying prelims easily. Now I want to give brief explanation regarding notes making. The students or the aspirants who are making notes based on their syllabus, they can easily cope up both prelims and mains easily. First, you have to make notes based on the syllabus. You have to keep syllabus aside and the NCERT's standard books. Do it on A4 sheets, where leave a half page, because you can add more things. Every subject will have the dynamic elements, so we can add new things, because we are not assured that we will in this year we can be qualified. We can't give that assurance, so we have to leave some spaces so that the dynamic elements of the subjects we can write there. You can start like from 6th NCERT, divide the subjects into two parts so that you can easily cope up. Like for example, geography, we can divide physical geography, next Indian geography in physical geography of the old, and Indian geography, and in Indian geography you can divide physiographic regions of India, river system in India, climate of India, soil type in India, and vegetation in India, and also like system of India, economic geography, you can divide it economic geography, human geography. when you are dividing subjects into different elements, you can easily cope up, you can easily write your notes. And again I want to say, like everyone will have the doubt regarding, okay, you are saying make notes, but starting, don't make notes when you are doing first revision. Do thoroughly read all NCERTs first. Second, when you are reading NCERTs, you will able to understand the subject matter of each and every point. Third reading, I already said you do PYQs and write test series. Then you will get to know, okay, my path I am going is wrong or right. If it is right, you can make a step to write your notes. How you will write notes? You no need to prepare or notes, prelims, mains. No, you should have to prepare notes in a way that it will be useful for both prelims and mains. If you are writing for prelims once, mains once, it will be waste of your time, because this exam required at least 1 year thorough preparation. If you are not preparing 1 year, there will be no chance that you are in the race. So that's the reason I am saying that should not prepare notes for 2. We have to prepare notes at a time for prelims and mains. For example, if you are taking river system of India, when you are taking river system of India, thorough with it will be in 7th NCERT, 9th NCERT, fundamental physical geography. There you have to refer 3 books. And the next thing, you have to refer PYQs of prelims, PYQs of mains. So both you have to check and write in the same notes what you are making, so that when you are revising, it will be very easy for you, because 20% of previous year questions will be repeated in UPSC prelims or UPSC mains in the same way, but dynamic topics will be added in. And the third point of UPSC, first of all you have to see syllabus, make notes. Third important is you have to make revisions thoroughly. You can make at least 6 or 7 times. You have to do a revision of your own notes which was made by you. Please don't focus on the notes which are available in the market. You have to believe your own hand, you have to believe your own book, because if you are relying on market books, you will not be understanding the subject what they have written. You have to again watch YouTube videos, you have to again consult lecturers. So make your own notes. This is my one request, or you can my advice for all the aspirants. And the second thing, many people are aspiring from 10th itself. They want to pursue, like they want to write UPSC, so they are joining from inter and degree. When you are joining in academics plus IAS, please focus first on like academics. You should know the syllabus of academics. See, is economic syllabus is related to our subjects or not? If they are not related, I am saying don't focus on academics, because when it is relating to our subject, please focus both academics and that UPSC syllabus, because if it is relating, it is very easy for us to revise. And those who are from starting joining from inter, study inter, enjoy inter, start reading newspaper in inter. Don't start any NCERTs, because you should know, you have to be very patient, and you have to sit for 3 hours, 4 hours. Start reading NCERT. At least you should differentiate the topics, which is what are political topics, what are economic topics, what are historical, which are the topics which are necessary for prelims, because newspaper will carry 16 to 17 pages. We can't read, it will take at least 8 to 9 hours if you are reading a whole paper. So you have to know what are the important articles which will be useful for our prelims, our mains. What are political, which are political are not necessary for UPSC. First of all, the intermediates who are joining inter plus integrated, focus on newspaper. From degree, they will go to degree first year, 3 years. Please focus only on NCERT. Don't go to standard subjects, because NCERTs are the main basic structure of UPSC. Like we are having basic structure of our constitution, the basic structure, basic fundamental elements, basic seats we can say that are NCERTs. Study NCERT thoroughly. Start making notes from degree. At least write one subject. Complete one subject 1 year. You can complete three subjects. At least 3 subjects. read one lesson per day. Don't stress yourself like wasting your time in degree and inter. After you will, it will take long time, like 4 years, 5 years to complete your to achieve your dream. When you are joining in degree itself, start studying NCERT, start making notes of NCERT, and then you will be easily succeeded within 1 to 2 years. When want to pursue IAS and you are joining degree and not reading any NCERTs, not studying newspaper, it will be worthless. That waste of time, waste of money, waste of we are missing our relations with our family also. Even we are joining in hostels. So please don't waste time. From starting degree first year, start reading NCERTs first. Don't read standard books. NCERTs are the main elements. Many more questions are coming from NCERTs in prelims. When you are focusing NCERTs, when you are getting basic fundamental element, you will be easily writing mains, because basic idea is very much necessary for even for mains. Thank you for everyone.